Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video today we have a haul, and it's not a big haul, but let's jump into the video. I'm very excited about it. So yes, so I found these boxes right here. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I love them. So yeah, I got two of these, nice size. Okay, and I had to get myself some Santa socks. So we got one of these. Aren't they cute? Okay, so I got one of those so I can run around the house with those. Okay, now my Dollar Tree got these bins in. These collapsible bins in the red and black. I already got them in the white and the black, so I wanted to show you these. Now they only had the one size, which is the 9 by 9 by 8, and so that's what those look like. And so I got I got 3 of those. These are really cool, guys. I like those. So then we got some ornaments. So let's start out with these. I love these ornaments. Not only are they a nice size, look how big they are. Yeah, I really do think these are worth more than $1. So this one says Merry Christmas in the green, and it is shaped like an ornament. And then this is the other one they had, and this one said ho ho ho. I love those. Okay, now they've had these out for a couple of years now, but I can never get enough of these because of the mirror. Isn't that beautiful? I love these. So when I see them, I grab some. So I got 2 of the hat ornaments, the Santa hat ornaments. Then I'm also loving the reindeer, but what I wanted you to notice is that they changed this part here. This part here is now plastic. I don't know. I think I like the way they used to be before, but look at the size of the reindeer though. So I don't know. It's like a give and take. I got 2 of this size reindeer. So I got 2 of those. Okay. All right. So now I did stock up on some bling wraps and things like that that I needed for crafting. Now I only found 1 of this deco mesh. I went back to look for some more. I used my other one in a recent craft, and I wanted some more. I should have grabbed it then. Yeah, so they only had the 1, so I got that. Then let me show you what's in here first. So whenever I see these gold wire baskets, I grab them because I absolutely love these. These are so nice. You can use them anywhere in the house. And I just happen to grab this shape. I love the round shape. You can use them anywhere, literally anywhere. So they only had 3, so that's exactly what I grabbed, was those 3. Now, what I want to show you is, like I said, I tried to stock up on the bling wraps and stuff when they have it, just so that my stash doesn't get low. Okay, so I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I grabbed 5 of the gold adhesive diamond wrap, bling wrap. I'm sorry, no, well they call it diamond wrap. So I grabbed 5 in the gold, and then I grabbed 1 in the silver because I have tons of these. So because they only had 1 left, I grabbed 1 of those. And I always grab these now since they got them, the jewel border stickers, the ones that have the pearls. They have a gold one, but yeah, these are my favorite. So I grabbed 2 of those because that's all they had there. Like, you gotta grab stuff right when they have it. Now I've been crafting a lot for Christmas, and so let me show you what I got. So I always grab the microfiber cloth from the auto section. Guys, I love this cloth. Okay, you can use it for so many things, including pillows and stuff. So I grabbed 2 of those. And then I saw that they had the buffalo check scarf. So this is also good for crafting. So I grabbed 1 of these. And since I love buffalo check, grab one of those. Now they did have the infinity scarf in the buffalo check, but in the red and the black. Okay, really pretty. So I grabbed 1 of those. Then they have this pattern right here, which I find is really Christmassy. So I'm gonna see what I'm going to do with this. Yeah. Oh, look, I'm sorry. So as far as the collapsible bins, so I have 3 over here, 4 or 5. So yes, I did grab 5 of these bins, all in the same size. So let's see. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I grabbed 5. I probably needed 6, but yeah, I grabbed the 5. I'm perfectly happy. So this is what I got at the Dollar Tree. Mostly necessities, a few little Christmas items and stuff like that, but I hope you enjoyed the haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're having an awesome day. I hope you guys like my sweater, my Christmassy sweater. I grabbed it from my son. And thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next one.